Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the power mirrors, the side mirror, fuses, relays on Mercedes C-Class, that generation W204 from year 2007 to year 2015. By the way, if you need to buy, guys, any replacement parts, tools, even fuses and relays, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out, and you can find almost anything you need, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, for the power mirrors, we'll be working two different fuse boxes, but before we start, this generation Mercedes has many hidden fuse boxes, guys. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W204 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. If you push the hood all the way up, you have more room to work on. And here, guys, on the driver's side, we're going to have that cover here, right? It'll be like this underneath. You have just the two clips that you need to release, pull the cable, the hose and the wire up, pull it out. You have that fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So, guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay. Right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your home resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. Guys, for the power mirrors, the side mirrors, which fuses and relays we need to check. If you come in this row of fuses, guys, next to the fuse, let's come in a little bit closer with the camera so you can see. You have the fuse numbers next to the fuses. First, you need to check fuse number, okay, right there, fuse number 2 and fuse number 3. These two fuses. Then we need to come to the trunk, guys. Let's go explain what we need to do here. On the side of the trunk, right there, you're going to have that cover installed here. You twist it, pull it out, you have another fuse box. Now, here, guys, we need to check fuse number 39 and fuse number 41. You don't have any relays for the power mirrors. That function is controlled by either the front or the rear SAM, the SAM module. So we recommend to check fuses for the front and rear SAM module on Mercedes W204. We have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that, guys, but those are the main fuses that we need to check today. In this Mercedes W204, you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.